Hello everyone, what's up? Today we are going to take a look at my inducer furnace. Unfortunately, the bird somehow dropped some kind of object into the pipe on the roof and then causing the motor have some weird sounds, and we had this problem a couple of days ago, and the technician helped us to fix it, but this time I don't think I'm gonna call a technician because it's not broken down yet. But let me show you what it looks like, my furnace here. Looks like it's a pretty new furnace though. Let me show you this. So this is the furnace. Hope you can see how it looks like. And then we are going to do some safety procedures here. First, you want to turn off the switch, which is supposed to be that in there. So I'm gonna turn the furnace off. And then that's the electric switch. And then maybe you want to turn this thing here, which is the gas off. Now the gas is off. Alright, I'm gonna also take out this outer shell here, two shell here, and show you what's inside. Alright, to take out the shell, what I see people doing is sliding it up and then bring it down. Alright, now you can see this is my furnace. I'm gonna put the shell against the wall here. And now I want to also take out the bottom of the shell. So you're kind of sliding this thing down from the slit there and then take it out. So the bottom of the shell is taken down. Now I want to show you guys that below here is the motherboard and everything. This switch is a safety switch. Once this below board is taken out, even though if the machine is on, the furnace is on, and then the gas is on, it will turn on because of this switch now is popped out. But if you click it in, it will on if you have everything on there. But right now everything's off, so it's also safe. Now the problem here, lined at this furnace, it's the motor. This is the motor, and I saw the technician take it out, and I think I know the step here. So I'm gonna try to replicate everything here, but I'm gonna actually take a picture of this before I forget which nut that is actually being taken out. I'm gonna put some extra lining there. So basically what happens is that this is the airs coming into the burner box here. It's this draft inducer motor sucking the airs in here, and then it burns the air, and also with the gas pipe down here. You can see, give the gas in here, and then the oxygen burns in and the gas burns in here, and then the inducer and the induced draft motor is gonna be drawing the air out and then blow it out from this out pipe here. So it's this outer pipe here I have that is on the roof, and then the bird is dropping the stones and the objects in there, First, I'm causing it broken, so I'm kind of trying to take this thing out here and then take the object out. All right, let's go ahead and start it. Hope you can see what I am doing here. So for this project, you need something like this, clamp, and then a screwdriver like this here. I'm going to disconnect these things here. So first is this motherboard. Just disconnect the motor. From the motherboard. So now we are going to take out some duct first. Next, now this duct is taken out. This duct connect to the inducer box. Kind of important here. And then take out the duct that's connect to the pipe there. Unscrewing these screws on the pipe. Next one. I think that one's loose already. Screwing the mounting screws. Mounting skewers on the bottom here. unscrewing the third mounting bolt here. Now the motor should be able to loose and then taken out. Oh, 1 second. Here is another tube that is connecting to it. Take this one out as well. Okay, so this tube is taken out. There's another thing to take out, it's the ground. This is the ground wire. Let's see. Alright, so we kind of take this duct out here. But turned out that we have to take out the bottom duct here and to let this one loose here. It is bolted quite well. Here's another one. Great. Now I should be able to take this one out. This duct need to be taken out. Some water's in here, so take out this duct. There's some water's in here. Gonna loosen this tube, so there's water's in this tube, so make sure you have something to prevent it from the water dripping everywhere. Just to so make sure, I'm just checking this thing. Right, here's this little object. Not enough to damage the thing. The motor, the induced draft motor is rotating freely here, so it should be fine. Check, double checking here. Not any object to see through this. Putting this back right now. Now everything is put back on again.